Planning to study in Canada and confused whether it's worth it or not, having all these questions that how will I get a part-time job, how will I get a full-time job, how will I become a permanent resident after completing my studies? Well, hi, I am here to help you. My name is Harit. I am a study abroad coach and I help students study in different places in the world. I have helped more than 300 students in the last 3 years to transition from international students to permanent residents and then finally getting their dream jobs and their dream careers. And I am here to help you. In order to make you a better decision, I am holding a free webinar in which I will share all the insights that I have about studying in Canada. I will share my journey being an international student. I will share the PR pathways that exist today, that work today, and I will share the sectors and the industries that are the most in demand in Canada so that you are able to not just become a PR here, but also build a solid career here. So if you're looking forward to attending the session, click on the link given below, sign up for the session. I'm seeing you. Bye-bye.